Rebound by Mercado, put back, no! Cristobal. Pass to Palomares. Palomares will set the play. Palomares pass to Pardo. Pardo will take the baseline jumper. Yes. Pasok para kay Pardo. Okay dyan. For Shannon. Cardenas, wala. Rebound ni Pardo. Palomares, pagbaba. Wala. Uy. Wow. Kick. Alcanar, tonto ng laglag. Basket down. Foul committed by number 26. First personal foul, third team foul, pushing foul. Shannon. Makain si Shannon. Makain daw pre. Bonus shot is good. Point guard, De Leon. Pass to number 17. Number 17 will take the long. Three. Si Peke. Pardo. Kick a pass. Para Resto low. Remember point guard. Uy!
Ayaw mo yan.
Napakatuloy ni Sonic. Ganda na lagot. Yun lang. Hindi naman maring. Line violation. Save ball. 14 seconds.
Dito ako sa puti.
Number 26. Ganda ng pihit. Pangit na kaya labasan.
Defense.
Pardo.
Lapit.
Palomares, sa supply. Palomares, drop in the middle. Ganda ng laglag. Hindi na wala ganap. Bola ng bomb shots.
Hindi, konting dikit sa bantay. Konting dikit, ha?
Salamat sa nag-cover ng laro. Argent's Adventure.
Wala silang live.
Nakaka-trend ang laro.
Ito yung live ko. Ay, ayun pa lang.
Ang bayan po December.
Green.
Beke! No! Palomares. Ang batang Calamares. Ganda ng pasahan. Kiyatan para kay Pardo. Pardo!
Tikit.
Gumagana agad.
Tikitan nyo.
De Leon, slice in the middle. Save ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Mercado, slice and uy! Umilaw. Line violation committed by number 26. Palomares with a smiling face.
Defense.
Pass through. Wala, hindi pa gumagana. Si Loresto dating Valenzuela. Wala ulit. Mercado guys sa rebound. Pass through. De Leon to Cardenas. Traveling slow-mo side step. Score is 5-12, 7-point lead ng MSA. Palomares will set the play. Palomares spin, Palomares drive. He got pass. Pardo. Foul committed by number 17. First personal foul, 1 for penalty. Peke.
Harap.
Kasi dumaan, masabura ka dyan.
Uy! Cardenas all the way. Bombs go! Alcanar, paso Palomares. Uy, kagalit. Relaxan daw. Palomares, pass through. Loresto. Yes, sir. Ganda ng pasa ni Cardenas. Basket count and one play para kay number 33, Mercado. One bonus shot para kay Mercado to complete the 3-point play. Complete. Magandang gabi sa'yo. Parang siya ho. Aga mo. Saan ang duty plan din? Uy, kaya pala. Uy! Spin. Pass in the middle. Alcanar. 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 Offensive foul para kay Alcanar.
Bola, bola.
Sino? Sino? Number 19. Siyan yan. Loresto. Point guard. De Leon. Pass to Mercado. Mercado will take a three. Mercado picks. Mercado drives. Foul committed by number 10. First personal foul. Third team foul. 10. Bango naman ang ulam. Penge. Diniging ni nanay.
Ilaro Perez mamaya. Maganda yun. Talipit. Sabi yun.
Senator, no.
Oo nga eh.
Number 1 guy.
Mga kakatapat lahi.
Cristobal.
Di.
Palomares. Palomares. Paso Pardo. Pardo. Pinagpag para Loresto. No. Palomares will get the offensive rebound. Pambansang reverse. No. Sino kayo? Si Kong. Out. Sige, paguluhan mo pre. Paabot mo kay Toto. First throw para kay Alcanar. Is good. Super 2 para kay Alcanar.
Isang game lang palang semis eh. Naglagang ka agad.
De Leon. De Leon was set to play para sa Front Dogs. De Leon slides in the middle. What's that set? No!
Sa Pectos, oh.
Palomares on the pass para kay Alcanar. Akala ko palom ng lago niya. Crossover para De Leon. Cardenas! 3! Lorenzo pass to Palomares. Palomares. Di ba wala sa depensa? Pula, sumapal. Rebound by Enriquez. Pass to De Leon. De Leon. Out the top para number 17. Pull up Jay. No. Nagkakabigan na ako ni Alcanar. Alcanar. Pinababa. Alcanar. Pass to Palomares. To Pardo. Pardo bombs. Pardo drives. No. Rebound by Mercado. De Leon. Hesi. Stop. Foul. Palomares.
Pagod si Job.
Two shot. Para kaya. Di ba? Hindi. Hindi ang capturing. Down. Hindi. Hindi ako capturing. Cardenas is out there. Crossover move. Slide in the middle. Yes, sir. 3-point lead na lang ng MSA.
Di.
Valenzuela City. Valenzuela will set the play. Pass to Melor. Melor! No! Terima Melgar. Superman shot. Yes! Alganar. Nagkasama na kasi Chief. Kaya pinapili na. Mag-tis na. Cardena, same spot, but same result.
Oh, ho, ho.
Harap!
Kamay ngayon ah.
Oh!
Uy! Now, De Leon, booster. Paminta. Block. By. Sorry. John Marie, out. Reyes in. No! Put back, no! Remember, Chris, come on, pass too. Valenzuela. Valenzuela. Foul committed by number 12. Reyes. Penalty. Sabe, Hernandez in, Mercado out. First release. No. Gandang kami sa'yo, Tita Ching. Sinarado 2 para Valenzuela. Offensive rebound na naman yung Ganar. Pass sa Valenzuela. Pasok yan. Para kay Valenzuela. Hernandez pinala. Pinasa kay Cardenas. Cardenas slide. Wala. Prima Ganar. Ganar sa Valenzuela. Valenzuela didiskarte. Para sa pamilya. Valenzuela. Tinalawa. Pinasa sa gitna. Using the glass. No! Alganar. Foul. Who's foul? Rep. Top rep. Second personal foul. Penalty. Ayun na si Anderson. Press draw is no. Uy, anong ulam yun? Pahingin kumiti. Uy! Technical. Improper uniform. Nako, number 11 pa yung gamit mo. One shot. 11 free to 11 na yan. Technical throw. Ulit kasi. Lagi kasi yung food trip eh. Ayaw maglaban ng uniform eh. Okay na yun. Isa lang na lang. Wala ang technical throw. Sino? Si Chodoro. Team 1. Reyes diskarte, paso Hernandez with the ball. Kalka ng pick and roll. Yun lang. Hindi maganda ang resulta. Ganda naman ang sapatos ni MK. Kumikinang-kinang. Wala. Melor from Marilao James Doe. Uy, intercepted. Melor ulit. Intercepted by Hernandez. Hernandez stop. Hernandez pass. King, paso. Anderson! Air ball para kay Anderson. Out of bounds. Bola ng MSA. 2.7 seconds remaining para sa ating first period of the game. Valenzuela will set the play. Valenzuela. Pinasa. Melor. Traveling. 35 seconds to play. Hernandez drives. No! Oy! Out of bounds. Bola ng MSA. 27.5. 3.5 seconds differential.
Pinipilit eh.
Oh.
Sumigaw! Nagalit! Alcana! Using the glasses. Good!
Pinipilit nila eh.
Sai.
3. Wala na po tayong shotgun. Pasa na lang po. Uy! Penalty. Both teams are in penalty. Foul committed by number 4. Melor from Makilaw Gems.
Green.
The defending champion.
Bago ko matake.
Dati. Tres. First throw is good. Second throw is 2 for 2 para kay Tres. Valenzuela, 5 seconds to shoot. End of the first period. Score is 19-24, 5-point lead now, MSA.
Huwag lang mag-reverse. Pag nag-reverse yun,
Ito pala yung mga alamat to, yung mga galing oh. Ayan oh.
alamat na lang.
Alamat na lang.
May kinangina yung sapatos, oh. Uy! Ganda! Rainbow shoes. 30 to yung kulay, oh. Ang hasang ng tilapia. Tres. Pass. Uy! Valenzuela. Pinababa. Valenzuela pass to Chodoro. Chodoro was at the play. Chodoro dribbled the ball. Chodoro slice and pass. 5 seconds to shoot. Valenzuela. 3 seconds to shoot. Alcanar. 2 seconds. Basket. Uy! Napakasipa.
Sticker ka na. Sticker.
Illegal pick. Para kay number 30. Ross. Warning for technical sa bench ng Buckeyes. Alcanar! Dinalawa! Alcanar! Pass to Valenzuela attack! No! Avoid! Rebound by! Intercepted by! Out of bounds! Bola ng Buckeyes in harmony. Reyes will set the play.
Sa Valenzuela pala to, Nathaniel.
Reyes slice! Block by Valenzuela.
Si Nathaniel pala yun.
Sino yan?
Po, mga ganong edad.
Rock and roll. Julian in.
Nag-MVP yan.
First throw para Reyes. In and out.
Sa Intertown. Kala ko sino Valenzuela, si Nathaniel.
She loves down. Number 2. Second throw is good. 1-2 para kay Reyes. MK. Pass to. Can't shoot. Foul committed by number 2. Second personal foul.
Okay.
Second team foul.
Sana yung 30. Masyadong dikit eh.
Opo.
Siyempre nanood ng live eh. Nanood ng live, tapos yun. Ulam. Chodoro. Block by Hernandez. Cruz. Pass to Reyes. Pinababa. Reyes. Pass to Hernandez. Pass to Anderson. No!
Sayang.
Rebound by Henry Gaspida. Wala. Rock and roll, that's the rebound. Save ball. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Bumulusok. Valenzuela. Pass to Chodoro. 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 Chodoro to Kenjud. 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 Nakapoy na! Sinampak. Pasok para kay Diaz. Sinaputan eh. Reyes, pagkanta ng pasa. And winners deliver.
28-22. 6-point lead.
Habang buhay ako sa'yo.
Oh, dikit
Chodoro,
na.
walang mapasahan. Galing. Muntik na ulit. Behind the back pass. Intercepted by. Recover by.
Mas maganda yung laro kanila nung 15
Anderson. Short.
Ang palitan lang nila, 1 point. Palitan lang.
Valenzuela.
Change paper palagi.
Bullet pass. Intercepted by Anderson.
Lang.
Reyes. Hernandez. Hernandez is at the play. Back to Reyes. 14 seconds to shoot. Reyes. Stop and pass. Para Hernandez. Hernandez. 8 seconds. Hernandez pop. Hernandez no. Sabre. Pasok in. Labas out. 4 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds. Uy, para sa baba naman yan! Good.
Harap!
Wala, dito gumagana si Alejandro.
Magaling yan. Magaling. 28-24. Napako yung score ng MSA.
Alejandro.
Harap!
4-point lead by MSA.
Okay nga, hindi nila nakita. Alejandro. No, win now. Yare. Ramen Robin na Butakis. Good. Basic eh. Papahulian. Mercado slice in the middle. Stop. Pitch. Kanta ng footwork. Pass it down. Foul committed by number 2. Julian Palomares in.
30-26, 4-point lead.
na lang ng MSA. No. Palomares.
Cover mo yung Black Knight kanina.
Palomares. Pass to MK. MK, umikot. Pass to Kenjud. Ganda ng pasahan. MK picks. MK deliver. De Leon. Ganda ng pasa. Intercepted by Kenjud. Intercepted by Hernandez. Intercepted by MK. Ganda ng pasa. Save ball.
Oo nga.
Alam, nakapadlock eh. 21 seconds to shoot.
26-33.
Julian. Pass to Palomares. Palomares is nice in the middle. Stop and pop. Yes, sir. Wala ako sinabing no. De Leon on second place. Ililabig. Sabre. MK out. De Jesus in. Alejandro. Pass to Palomares. Pass to Alejandro. Pass to Kenjud. Edge Diaz. 3 points. Lumalayo na ulit.
38-26.
Napakatulin.
12-point lead
Tira na shoot.
by MSA.
Palomares. Uy, sapul. Lakas. Bullet pass. Basic para kay Chong. Palomares. Warahesi. Pinasa Ramel. Basket dyan.
Still 12-point lead.
12-point lead now. MSA. 3 minutes and 35 seconds to play. 12 seconds to shoot. Hernandez pass. De Leon pass again. Kanta ng pasahan. Foul committed by number 2. Hurgay. Can't shoot out. Valenzuela y lo resto. Si Wino.
Wala siyang katulong.
Hindi ko eh.
Tapos non-turnover.
Yung turnover ang nagpapas. Pwedeng iwasan eh.
Hindi pa gawin yun. Jesus. Loresto. 7 seconds. Alejandro. Ayan na naman. Muntik na. Peke. Uy! Napigilan ni Alejandro. Tapos tumalon. Pinasa kay Loresto. Open pop. Yes, sir! Loresto with a smile. Kanta ng connection. Julian to Loresto. Hernandez top. Humihingi ng ISO. Hernandez. 7 seconds to shoot. De Leon. To win. Palomares may tangan. Palomares. To Alejandro. Kanta ng pasa kay Julian. Sayang. Pambansa ko na serve sana yung ginawa mo. Likadjot.
Nasabayan ng bilis.
Oo. Sawag magmadali.
18 seconds to shoot. De Leon pick. De Leon shot. All board.
Grabe.
Julian gets the offensive rebound. Pass to Palomares. No. Rebound by Cardenas to De Leon to Mercado. Kanta. Basic. 34-43, baliktaran. Foul committed by Cardenas. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Tama? No? Si Cardenas.
Ang bilis.
Cardenas. Hindi ka bandage. Sorry. Loresto. Pass to Jesus. Sorry. Palomares. Uy! Sayang. Palomares. Palomares drive. Go! Rebound by De Leon. Outlet pass para kay Carlos. Basket. Is good para kay Carlos. Alejandro Mabebe. Kanta ng pasa. Traveling. Aray ka. Ulinay. Ako kasi. Wow, what a cross over kay De Leon. 12 seconds to shoot. Pasa kay Mercado spin. Intercepted by Palomares. Booster si Alejandro. Pass to Loresto.
Guy!
Si Jesus. 2-on-1 situation, 2-on-2 na. Bounce! Bounce! Lakas tinigilan ni Julian Felipe. Palomares. 25 seconds to play. 15 seconds to shoot. Ganda! Tuhan kaya para kay Alejandro. Commitment number 1, Carlos. Penalty. Ini ikaw to, coach. Complete that 3-point play para kay Alejandro Mabebe. 18 seconds to play and shot. Wala na po tayo shot, lagpasan lang. Hesi with the tipsy. Pasok yan para kay Mercado. 7 seconds to play. Loresto picks. Loresto step back. No! Pull back. End of the first half. Score is 38-46. 8-point lead ng MSA. Ewan ko ako dyan. Para sa Pangkas. Araw. Saan tayo? Sa court. Sa goal. Sa ano? Ano MSA?
Nawawala sa stadium yun. Ano, naging vlogger pa ngayon. Kuna mo to.
Pardo, pass to Abuel, Hesi, Abuel shot, airball. On the pass by right again, intercepted by Valenzuela City. Ay, si Pardo pala eh. Pardo, sliding namin na lumipad kahit walang pakpak. Foul by Alejandro. Press is in the play. Press. Loren, no. Rebound by Pardo. Pardo to Lorenzo. Lorenzo to Abuel. Pass to Alejandro. Parang si Monyo Mulak. Intercepted by Alejandro. Same ball. 20 seconds to shoot. Sino? Number 33 sa kabila. Si Abuel. Wala? Shoot niya wala. Sino? Pege. Around, same ball. Lorenzo, nagkaroon ng papa. 8-9 seconds to shoot. Now ni Pardo. 5 seconds to shoot. Layo din! Around, walang bomb dogs. 41-49, 8-point lead now. MC. Players will set the play. Players.
Pwede, galing ah. Oo.
Press, pass to Ko, bombs Ko. Using gas is good.
Ako.
Thank you.
No.
43-49, 6 points.
Uy!
6-point lead lang. By MSA.
Uy! Ganda! Connection. King delivers.
49-45, 4-point lead by MSA. Oh, what so happened? Grabe.
Napakatuloy ng pangyayari.
Score is 49-47.
2-point lead na lang ng MSA. 7 minutes and 37 seconds to play para sa ating tatlong luto.
Tumatama pag bumabaling eh. Tumatatitig yan. Babaling nyo. Tumatama ko eh. Nakitali mo naman. Si Roscas kasi, pwede mo naman iwan.
49-47, 2-point lead by MSA Tigers. Umabol ang bump tubes. Di semis laglagan, 1 game lang to. Dito sa Trojan Basketball.
Back to the ball team. Pardo. Pass to Loresto. 12 seconds to shoot. Tinirahan. Ginawa nga sintahan. Bangas mo.
Grabe. Walang mintis.
Tinirahan talaga. Sabi ko sa'yo. De Leon was in the play. De Leon. Pass in the middle. Binasakit ko. Fade away. Konda. Kobe.
The lead is down to 3. 3-point lead. 50-49.
Pardo, well set. Kanta naman. Dinalawa siya. Di ginaya. Bullet pass. 10 seconds. Abuel. Na Jimmy Santos. 1, 2, 3. Aliwag. City of Dreams. 3. Para pick and roll. Kaya lang, di pinasa. De Leon! Delivers. Uy!
Oh!
Knockout, 52.
Deadlock, grabe. 52. Oh.
Sinag-up.
Change favor. 52 points. Yan, 2 points yung lead ng MSA again.
De Leon.
Ang galing, grabe.
De Leon. Paso 3. 3, ganda, nakawala. Paso.
Oh, deadlock again.
T-Rex. 3.
All 54. That's the kind of semis.
Table title.
Oh!
Promise mo. Loresto. Ang sarap ng piling mo.
56-54. 2-point lead by MSA.
Ganda talaga yun.
Oh!
Kobe! Kobe, 1 kilo.
Deadlock again. 56 all. 56.
Pardo. To Abuel. Uy! Abuel. Nice nilan. De Leon, try to. Feed away. No. Abuel. Pass to Pardo. No. De Leon. Natapigan ulit. Ganda ng pasa ngayon. Yes, naman na po. Change
favor. Lamang ang bump tugs. Grabe yun. 58-56. 2-point lead by bump tugs.
Pass to Loresto. Back to Pardo. No, air ball.
Bump tugs is now taking the lead by 2. Grabe.
Leon. Ganda. No, para lang. Pagkakis na. Assist lang pala yun ni Jom.
58. Ay, ano? Score.
4-point lead na ng
4-point lead.
Harmony.
56-60. 4-point lead by bump tugs.
Pass to KQ. Loresto. No. Rebound by King. De Leon, bin na baba. De Leon ang mamagmamaniobra. De Leon, wala hesi! Sino ang papa mo?
6-point lead.
Bongis mo din, Jom.
56-62.
Sige na ako kahapon ah.
Grabe,
Talo
56-62.
kayo sa pustahan.
Dito din ulit ganun. Para si Marcos.
Alejandro, my baby, no!
Set lang, set.
6-point lead na.
Set lang, set.
56-62.
De Leon will set to play.
6-point lead by Bam Tugs.
De Leon, sinayawan ng defense. Good ball! Ulang! Save ball. Pasukin, labas out. Save ball, right? Ha? Save ball! Save ball, pre. Sabi ko, save ball, ba? 5 seconds to play. Ito siya.
Lang mag-turnover.
Ito na tira kanina.
Hindi na turnover yun. Laki na lamang na.
No! Loresto delivers!
59-62, the lead is down to 3 by Bam Tugs.
Na out of bounds.
May time out ba yun? Hindi, mali.
So may 10.9 timeout para sa Bam Tugs.
Kung yung mga takeover kanina, na ipasok nila.
Back to the ball game.
Malalaki lang talaga to eh.
Sige, pwesto, baba.
2 minutes and 45 seconds to play para sa ating ikatlong yugto. De Leon, Metan. De Leon, di diskarte. Hayop! Foul committed by number 10, Cristobal. Third personal foul, second team foul. 2 for shot para IPG. First release, good.
Box out lang, kulo kayo sa box out.
Box out. Nice.
O, defense.
59-64, the lead is 5 points
Defense, yan.
by Bam Tugs.
2
Bam
minutes and
Tugs.
30 seconds.
Lapit.
Pardo attack! Pasok para kay Pardo.
64-61,
2
3-point lead.
minutes and 18 seconds to play.
Wide.
15 seconds to shoot. Cardenas delivers. 40.
61-67, 6-point lead
Lapit,
by Bam Tugs.
Yan.
Lorenzo babawi. No. Alcala with the put back. No. Rebound by De Leon. De Leon. Tinapahan ang short put back. No. Alejandro Palomacin. Second personal foul. Third
Nakakatawa
team
na
foul.
malaban talaga eh.
Kaya.
Wala. First throw is not good.
67-61. Underdog eh. Coming from behind.
Second throw is good.
Defense.
Sabre.
68-61, 7-point lead by Bam Tugs.
De Leon ay Diaz in.
Defense, defense.
Palomares.
Lalim.
Diaz. 12 seconds to shoot. Alcanar. Alcanar. Pass to Lorenzo. No. 7 seconds to shoot.
Tumitingin sa bola.
7 seconds.
Oh.
Tingin sa bola.
Sinasabi ko, assistant coach Bruce. 5 seconds. And 5 seconds.
Cutter, cutter.
Pass to Palomares. Palomares. 2 seconds. In and out. Good.
Putang na, 4 na. Oh, solo na yung bola.
Technical foul para kay Cardenas.
Sailor.
Excessive center of team of elbow para for personal foul. Warning for graduate. Technical draw is good para Lorenzo.
68-62.
Third quarter to, no?
6-point lead by Bamtugs.
Score is 68-62. 1 minute and 5 seconds
Ito
to
yung
play.
champion last season. MSA. Ayun. Underdog talaga. Galing, galing,
De
galing.
Leon at top. De Leon pass. Supalpal. Same ball. 11 seconds. 11 seconds to play to shoot. Six seconds. 4 seconds. Go.
Yeah!
Again with a back.
Grabe ka, Bamtugs.
Walo na po ang kalamangan ng Bamtugs.
70-62.
Alcanar. Alcanar.
Continuation!
Foul. Committed by Lorenzo.
Grabe, pinapakita ng Bamtugs talaga dito sa larong to. Considering na it's a semis laglagan. It's a 1 game only. 1 game laglagan to. Grabe.
22 seconds to shoot.
Magaling magdala si De Leon yan.
Green, yan!
Nakawala. Eagle pass.
Defense, defense, defense!
Mercado! Mercado!
Ayan, haras,
Palomares, 10 seconds. Wala na po tayo sa clock. Basta na lang. 5 seconds. Lorenzo. Uy!
Oh!
Yung bulot sa
It's a 2-digit lead. 10-point lead by Bamtugs. 72-62. Grabe.
Ang angas to ah.
Pag-depending nung last season.
Kamayan mo si Toto, ang ating OG. At mas... Uy! Ba't nagsasalita ka? May laro ba kayo? Oh, wala lang pala eh. Naglag tayo eh. See you next league. Uy lang, pingi. Pingi. Ika-4 na yuto, bola ng Bamtugs. Ang sarap mo! Tias ka! Ayaw pamigay ng ano eh. Jolly hotdog eh. Dalawa eh. Hernandez. Hernandez, takin mo. Hernandez! No! Mercado. Mercado. Mercado.
Para!
SK! SK!
Uy, almost losing the ball.
12-point lead.
Lorenzo.
74-62. 12-point lead by Bamtugs.
Pag-crossover. Lorenzo. Pagbalong bito.
Oh!
Napapulot mo sa ano? MBE. Cardenas. 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 Bumulusok. Using the access goal para kay
Defense.
Loresto.
76-65, 11-point lead by Bamtag.
Defense.
Ang layo. Alganar. Chris Kaulak. Pardawin.
Kaya niya, ano, ingat lang, turn over.
Hernandez.
Tingnan mo.
Same ball. 21 seconds. Mercado bounce. Mercado deliver.
78-65, 13-point lead. 13 na ang lamang ng Bamtogs. 13 ang lamang ng Bamtogs. The underdog is rising versus the defending champion.
Defense.
13 points.
Mario Pardo. Almost losing.
Nakatingin, no?
Same ball. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds.
Defense.
Yes, sir.
Grabe! 80-65. 15 na ang lamang ng Bamtogs. 15-point lead against the champion.
10 seconds.
Grabe.
Bola na.
The champion is left by 15 points.
8 minutes to play para sa ating
Grabe.
Alejandro, stop and pop, no! Toss to Malone, put back his ball, foul! Who's foul rep number 33?
80-67, 13-point lead by Bamtogs.
Third personal foul.
It is Misaglagan. It's a one game only semifinals.
No! Sabrin! No! Mercado De Leon. De Leon was set to play. 10 seconds to shoot.
Kabulan mo yan!
Kanta ng pilit!
Grabe. The score is 82-70. 12 ang lamang. 12-point lead by Bamtogs. 7 minutes.
7 minutes pa yan.
Opo. Kailangan lang to be very careful sa bawat gagawin. Pero grabe, it is really a big challenge to Bamtogs kasi considering the defending champion is MSA. MSA is the last season's champion. And they are yamado talaga, and underdog talaga dito yung Bamtogs. Pero grabe yung pinapakita ng Bamtogs. Ang galing magdala ng team, grabe. De Leon, grabe. Nice. Grabe yung teamwork ng Bamtogs dito. Si Loresto yung gumagawa sa MSA in the last quarter.
Yan, ganyan lang.
Teamwork talaga.
Sit. Wag.
Marami rin napasok si Cardenas. Sa long distance.
Out of bounds, same ball. Ay, orange ball.
Defense, defense. Back to defense.
82-70, 12-point lead by Bombtogs.
Lapit, lapit,
Pardo.
lapit.
Pass to Lorenzo.
Lapit, lapit.
Lorenzo. Ang layo. Foul, given by number 5. Hernandez. Landing spot. Second personal foul. Third
Hi, Coach.
team foul. Personal is good.
82-71. 82-72.
Second one is good.
Tingnan natin kung ibababa sa 9-point lead ang kalamangan ng Bombtogs. Ayun. The lead is down to 9. 73-82.
82-73, 9-point lead. Now Bombtogs. Foul with the number 4, Melor. Second personal foul, first team foul. Hernandez, right down. Hernandez. Hernandez pass to De Leon. 12 seconds to shoot. De Leon step back three, using the glass. No! Nagkatabigan. Nakuha ng car.
Defense, defense.
Pass to Pardo. Pardo. Foul. With the number 33, Mercado. Mercado. Warning for graduate. And warning for penalty. Uy! Ayun, lang. Pardo for next, for three. 82-76.
Lead is down to 6.
Tingin sa bola, tingin sa bola. Tingin sa bola, tingin sa bola.
6 minutes.
Okay, labas.
8 seconds to shoot. Foul by number 4. Hello. Relax, relax mga idolo. Relax mga idolo.
Patindi ko na yan eh! Laki-laki kasi!
Biko na, biko na.
Third personal foul. Second team foul. Relax lang kayo mga idolo.
Yeah, kaya mo yan.
De
Kaya mo yan.
Leon, 10 seconds to shoot. De Leon, De Leon. Nakawala sa depensa. Kick out pass. Para kay Cardena.
Cardena. 85-76. 9-point lead by Bombtogs.
Mercado picks. Cardenas picks. Halip. By number 17. Pege. Lorenzo. Lorenzo. Ganda ng Pege. Wow!
87-78, 9-point lead by Bombtogs. 4.5 minutes pa. 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
Cardenas. 10 seconds to play to shoot. Cardenas, shooting glass, no. Alcanar gets the rebound, Alcanar. Alcanar, slice in the middle. No. Put back, no. Pege. To the Leon.
Likod ha? Oh, yan, yan.
4 minutes and 26 seconds to play.
Yan, bastusin mo naman yan eh!
12 seconds to shoot.
Grabe.
Ball in hand. MSA.
Sila. Oh, bola mo!
87-78, 9-point lead by MSA.
Pardo. Pardo to Kentud. Kentud. Sinaga.
80-87, 7-point lead.
7-point lead ng Bomb Dogs. Exactly 4 minutes to play. Cardenas na wala. Ganda ng pass. Lorenzo to Pardo. Pardo. Good by number 5, Hernandez. Sige po. Penalty. Okay yung crowd daw, yung bench.
Ano?
Pardo. Pressure is good. Wala pa pasok na player pag may nakasit sa bench niyo sa atin niyo.
Less than 4 minutes to play. 82-87, 5-point lead by Bomb
De
Dogs.
Leon, nakawala. De Leon, nilaglag. Ganda ng laglagan. Wow! Dominated by number 4, Melon. Melon warning for disqualification.
Doon, sana na yung 4.
2-point shot para kay De Leon. Johnny.
87-82, 87-82.
No.
Isa lang, isa.
Second round para kay De Leon is good.
88-82, 6-point lead by Bomb Dogs.
6-point lead. Now, Bomb Dogs. Pardo to Cantud, stop and pop. No. Arriba by Hernandez to De Leon. De Leon to win.
Oh! 90-82.
Tenas.
90-82. 8-point lead by Bomb Dogs.
Tigisa lang po ang time mo sa last 2 minutes. 3 minutes and 26 seconds.
Minutes ka lang yan, oh.
90-82. Lalo ang kalamangan. Direta. Wala na, MSA. Ganda naman yun, laban. Parang series.
Dikit, oh.
82-90, 8-point lead by Bomb Dogs.
Pardo di-discounted. Pardo. Wala. Iniwan tayo. Lakas na Joe Amari.
Grabe si Joe.
Para sa Hernandez.
Silang, silang!
To Leon.
Oh, yan!
12 seconds. 12 seconds. Iniwan niya naman ang depensa.
Oh, defense!
10-point lead.
Lorenzo. Pamatay, sunod.
7-point lead. 92-85.
Hintay.
Walang kakaba-kaba si Lorenzo. Mercado. 12 seconds to shoot.
Yan.
Cardenas. Okay. Lorenzo. Kanta ng pangkay Pardo. Wow. Committed by number 17. Pushing down.
2 minutes 16 seconds. 85-92. 85-92. 7-point lead. 2 minutes and 16 seconds.
2-point stroke. First throw, and that is good.
92-86. 6-point lead. Alcanar on the free throw shot.
2 minutes and 18 seconds para sa ika-apat na yuto. 2 for 2.
92-87. 5-point lead by Bomb Dogs.
Basket, last. Pushing foul. Warning for penalty ba lang? Warning for penalty. Tatlo lang galing. Tatlo. Tapos apat. Tatlo lang galing. Kailangan si Diaz. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. penalty.
Ingat sa bola, ingat sa bola, ingat sa bola.
87-92.
2 minutes and 18 seconds. Uy. Cardenas. Cardenas. Cardenas, De Leon. De Leon, bumulusok din ang mga senador. Foul. Penalty. Who's foul rep? Number.
Grabe, Jom.
Penalty.
Dalawa.
Blue team sorry in penalty.
2 minutes,
Second personal foul.
5 seconds.
Blue team sorry in penalty. 2
Minutes, 5 na lang.
minutes and 5 seconds.
Sure ball, Dom.
92-87.
Take time, Dom.
5-point lead. Shoot.
Okay.
Press Royce Wood para kay John Marie.
6-point lead. 87-93. Defending champion ng kalaban. Grabe.
Sentro.
Hey. Defense.
Last 2 minutes.
Dikit na.
6-point lead pa rin. Now, contact. Lorenzo. Knock. No. Mateo. Foul. Given by number 5.
Grabe, Jom Marie.
Maintain.
Penalty.
Grabe ka, Jom.
Two on the shot. Para kay Johnny.
Grabe ka, Jom Marie. Madadrawing kita. Galing mo.
Jom, okay lang, Jom? Kaya?
Sure ball. Yan.
Press, Royce good.
94-87. 7-point lead.
Okay lang?
7-point lead by Bampton.
Siyempre, yung kung ano, di kaya.
Ready kayo dyan, ha?
1 minute 46 seconds na lang.
Hey.
Second row, para kay De Leon.
Yan.
Super 2 para kay De Leon.
8-point lead na.
Saka, konti na lang.
95-87.
48 seconds.
Defense.
95-87.
Pablo. Valenzuela.
Defense.
12 seconds to shoot. Valenzuela, no ganar. Back to Valenzuela. Tunggu wala.
Oh!
De Leon.
Grabe!
Gamitin.
Grabe to!
Holding foul.
Dalawa yan. Shoot mo lang.
Third personal foul. Penalty.
95-87. 1 minute 23 seconds. 95-87.
Sure ball, jump. Sure ball.
8-point lead. Grabe.
Importante yan.
Bonus throw para kay De Leon.
Yan.
Press was good.
You're making a history, ah.
96-87.
I'm glad na vlog ko to. Grabe. With the defending champion.
Sure
Ah.
ball. Yan. Oh, defense.
10-point lead na na. On dogs. Lorenzo. No. Now,
Oh, ho, ho.
committed by
Grabe.
fourth personal foul. Warning for disqualification. Bombs.
1 minute 3 seconds.
1 minute, 3 seconds.
Woo! 87-97.
Natatalo, nagiging kapipikon.
1 minute.
This is a very unexpected turn out of the game. Grabe. This is a very unexpected turn out. Nakaka-surprise talaga yung Bomb Dogs. Coming from behind. Coming from behind.
Ang dami pang turnover.
Underdog, grabe. This is my kind of semis na...
Back to the business. 1 minute and 3 seconds to play.
Not!
Two bonus throw.
Sure ball.
First throw, in and out.
Isa lang.
Second throw.
Yan.
Pasok para Philippe.
Defense.
98-87.
11-point lead. Alcanar, drives, no. Foul. Number 17, third personal foul.
3 seconds na lang yan, oh.
Pasok para Alcanar. 58.1.
98-88. 10-point lead.
Super 2
Pasok.
para Alcanar.
98-89. 9-point lead.
Cardenas nawala sa depensa ng dalawa.
Ikot yan.
50 seconds to play.
Next to play. Nakagawa ni Alcanar. Alcanar delivers. 46.8.
91-98. 7-point lead. 7-point lead.
Number 5, Diaz.
7-point lead.
Dalawa yan. Tante yan.
43 seconds. Grabe talaga. Nakakagulat on the part of the MSA. Grabe.
Sure ball.
2 bonus shot para Cardenas.
Shooter yan.
Boy.
Oh,
First throw is good. Not good.
grabe. It's very challenging talaga.
Boy.
Defense, sira to 2. Alcanar.
Silang. Hawak lang. Igay.
Foul by number 5.
Grabe.
Number 5, warning. Disqualification.
91-98.
98-91.
Woo!
7-point lead.
Dalawa. Yan.
Pressure is good.
Less than 30 seconds to play.
21 seconds na lang yan.
Second throw.
191. 9-point lead by Bomb Dogs. 27.1 seconds. Grabe talaga. It's very unexpected turnout. Grabe. Grabe ang game na to. The defending champion is at stake. And Bomb Dogs is entering the finals. In less than 30 seconds, tingnan natin. Ang daming MVP sa MSA na nagsama-sama.
Defense.
Grabe.
.7 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Pardo. No, Alcanar, no. Pasok para Alcanar. 19 seconds to play.
93-100. 7-point lead. 7-point lead. 19 seconds.
Tres. Yan.
Cardenas. Back to Hernandez.
Tira.
5 seconds to play. Again. Pardo. Loresto. Wala. 2 seconds. Bomb Dogs. Ang Bomb Dogs. Waiting na sila sa finals.
SK! Ay, daw. Idol.
Hey, hey. Idol. Anong page mo? Anong page mo, Idol?
Artist Adventure. Ito. Yung tayo siya.
John Mercado, best player. Picture. John Mercado.
Jimwell. Ito na mga katapat. Bam Togs. Galing ako. Grabe. Ito. Sticker. Panoorin nyo ha. Panoorin nyo kung paano kayo nagtagumpay. Woo! Hello ma'am, kaway-kaway. Idol oh, Cardenas, grabe. Ito matagal na nitong deserve mga pa-finals eh. Dati pa eh. Jom, grabe. Sabi ko na kaya pinicturean kita eh.